Plentiful means abundant. Hardy means tough. Variation means a thing that differs from one type. Variety means different plants of a species. Seedling means a young plant, especially raised from seed and not from a cutting. Pill means heap of things laid up over one another. Efficiency means the quality of being capable. Graft means take a piece of living material from one. Throne means a stiff, sharp pointed projection on a plant. Beer means produce. Commercial means related to market. Cross means an intermixture of varieties of plants. Shiny means having a shine. Tunnel means a way underground. Automobile means related to vehicles. Remarkable means uncommon. Twig means small short on or the end of a branch of a tree. Freezing weather means very cold weather. Delight means felt happy. Saint Rose means a place near San Francisco. Sasta daisy means a kind of flower. Hello friends, now I read the lesson. Listen carefully. Today we start from the 7th paragraph. Normally, his experiments were based on 3 basic techniques. First, he would collect different kinds of domestic plants and bring in many foreign varieties of plants. When they were grown under different conditions, they would prove strong, plentiful, or hard, or else show their desirable changes or new qualities. Secondly, he grew many varieties of fruits, flowers, and vegetables by changing water, food supply, temperature, light, or space. Other variations were achieved by crossing plants, which had very dissimilar qualities. After the production of many varieties, Burbank came to the final step, that was, he could recognize and select the plants which showed desirable changes. He could also choose them for further experiments. His unending patience was tested all the time. At the end of his successful attempt to produce a white blackberry, he called it the paradox. He set fire to all the rejected seedlings. That pipe was 12 feet high, 14 feet wide, 22 feet long, and had contained 65,000 to 3-year-old berry bushes. How many had he decided to keep for further study? Just less than 2 dozen. Throughout his effort to force nature to obey his orders, Luther Burbank found out ways to increase the efficiency of experimentation. An acre is farm yielded several thousand different varieties of fruits. This wonderful achievement was made possible by grafting many twigs on a single tree. In this manner, he was able to grow, for example, 526 different types of apples on the same tree. It was possible for him not only to save space but also to speed up his experiments. Instead of waiting for 15 years for a tree to give fruits, he would graft a twig from a young plant to a fruit bearing tree and get fruits in just 2 or 3 years. Burbank carried out more than 10,000 separate experiments with 600 different kinds of plants. To give a complete list of his achievements is impossible, but some of his world famous products deserve mention. He developed an improved cherry, a thornless blackberry, a cactus without thorns that is largely used as food for livestock, and a peach tree that can withstand freezing weather. He delighted flower lovers with 73 new flowers, including the Sasta daisy and a rose that bears his name. Naturally, many of his efforts ended in failure. At one time, he crossed a potato with a tomato with a potato, though a vegetable was produced. It had no commercial value, but his devotion was so deep and strong that nothing could disappoint him. In the present times, miracles are happening in steel mills, automobile factories, and markets of commerce and industry. Burbank worked with the simple elements of nature to produce effects that were as remarkable as shine, cars, bridges, tunnels, and singing wires. Hello friends, in the previous class we discussed about Luther Burbank. What are the experiments he conduct on the plants, how he get interest on the plants breeding, and how he become and where he was born, and how he choose the place that is called chosen spot, that Saint Rose near the city Saint Rose. Today we discuss about what are the experiments he have done and how he gets successfully in his experiments on plants. Normally, his experiments were based on 3 basic techniques. Yes, his experiments are based on 3 basic techniques. 3 basic techniques. First one is one that he would collect different kinds of domestic plants and bring in the many foreign varieties of plants. Yes, collect different kinds of domestic plants. Different varieties of plants he collected, bring in many foreign varieties of plants. Yes, he bring from the many foreign means he get many different domestic plants from other country also, because the plants are grows in different places. According to the weather of that place, some plants are not grown all the places, but some plants are grows in the particular weather condition. That's why we get all the domestic plants from all the places. That is one of his technique. When they were grown under different conditions, yes, he created different condition for that plants. Different conditions. Different conditions. He put plants in the different conditions. Like that, they would prove strong, plentiful, or hard, or else show their desirability changes or new qualities. Yes, he put the conditions grown under different conditions to get the. You want to prove that the plants must be prove the strength of the plants, and plentiful means abundant. More number. Plentiful means more number. Abundant means uncountable numbers. Or hard or else. Yes, how that plant is very hard. It will tolerate all the condition of the environment. Like that, we want to know the plants, how it desirable changes or new qualities. Second technique is he grew many varieties of fruits, flowers and vegetables by changing water, food supply and temperature, light or space. Yes, he in the second technique, what was the second technique? That is supply of basics for growth. Yes. Plants must need. What are the basic needs for growing the plants? That are water, food supply, temperature, light or space. These are basic needs for the growing of plants. He put the varieties, he put the variations for this. He made many changes on these basic needs. Supply basic needs. Basic needs for growth. So he put that one of the changes. He made variations in that changes. Other variations were achieved by crossing plants which are very dissimilar qualities. Yes, he also make crossing the plants. He conduct experiment that crossing the plants which are very dissimilar qualities. Dissimilar qualities means opposite in their qualities. He make crossing the plants. After the production of many varieties, Burbank came to the final step. That was he could recognize and select the plants which showed desirable changes. He could also choose them for further experiment. Then after the production of many varieties of plants, yes, he made different conditions. He put the different conditions, different temperature, different quantity of water, different quantity of food. He make many variations in that plants growing. Then he select those who are showing positive changes, desirable changes. He selected that plants for his experiment. He could also choose them for further experiment. His unending patience was tested all the time. Yes, his unending patience. Yes, whatever the experiments if we want to conduct, we must have the patience to get the result. Many times we conduct experiments, but even though that also we didn't get result. So then that's why we must need the patience. If when we become fail, we don't desperate with our attempts. We must do the effort once again. We try again and again until we get success. So that's why we need patience. Here, this Burbank also have a lot of patience that he conduct experiments. The time is also tested in. Yes, time is also tested in patience. at the end of his successful attempt to produce a white blackberry. Yes, at the end of these successful attempts, many more attempts he done for produce white blackberry. White blackberry. After lot of efforts, he becomes successful. He called it the paradox. He set fire to all the rejected seedlings. Yes, he distract all the seedlings, those who are rejected by his experiment, for his experiment. Yes, whether he chosen what are the strong plants, which plants are shows the positive or desirable changes, showing the desirable changes for his experiment. He selected those plants, and remaining all the plants he destroyed. Rejected all the plants he fired. He set fire to all the rejected seedlings. That pile was 12 feet high, 14 feet wide, 22 feet long. Yes, that pile means it is the name of the plant that is growing in the wide way. That is in the 12 feet height. Yes, the plant is very height like that. The 12 feet high, 14 feet wide, and 22 feet long. The plant is 22 feet long and had contained 65,000 2 to 3 year old blackberry bushes. Yes, the plant is 65,000 to 2 to 3 years old. Yes, that plant is grown at least 2 to 3 years. That is 65,000 acres. It is very long, very bush. Bush means the plant which has thorns and very small things, that is very spreading. That is called bushes. How many he decided to keep for further study? Yes, how many plants he had taken in that? 65,000 plants. In that, how many plants he had taken for his further study, further experiment? Just less than 2 dozen. Yes, he chosen only 2 dozen plants from that 65,000 plants. Throughout his efforts to force nature to obey his orders. Yes, the scientist is become very great because he forced the environment to obey his order. Obey his order means he provoked the environment to give the result according to what he want. So that's why he conduct many more experiments. Luther Burbank found out ways to increase the efficiency of experimentation. Yes, Luther Burbank found out ways to increase the efficiency of experimentation. Now you want to increase his efficiency, means ratio of that effort, that result. You want to increase that of experimentation. So that's why he can. An acre on his farm yielded several thousand different varieties of fruits. An acre on his farm. In his farm, he has chosen an acre land. There, several thousand different varieties of fruits. He planted several thousand different varieties of fruits. Plants he planting. This wonderful achievement was made possible by grafting many trees on a single tree. Yes, he achieved that great thing, that different varieties of fruits in a single tree. That is by grafting. Grafting many trees on a single tree. Grafting means he take one twig of the tree without cutting the tree. He taking a small part of the twig in the crack section he cut and put the other plant like that, cutting that, and put both the plants and put some soil and water and bind it strongly and put them to the watering and many more things for that grow the plant. When that getting the new plants, by grafting, that plant is getting new twig and it produces new plant fruits. So like that, he grafting, he get many more fruits, grafting many twigs on a single tree. In this manner, he was able to grow, for example, 526 different types of apples on the same tree. See here, 526 apples, different apples, not same apple, the varieties of apples, 526 varieties of apples grown on the same tree, with the help of this grafting. It was possible for him not only to save space, but also to speed up his experiments. Yes, this grafting is very helpful to him to save, not only save the space, but also it helpful to that speed up his experiments. Speed up his experiment. Time also saves. Instead of waiting for 15 years for a tree to give fruits, he would graft a twig from a young plant to a fruit-bearing tree and get fruits in just 2 or 3 years. Yes, if one plant is giving fruits for after 15 years, he crushed the plant, that is one of the young plant twig, to crush this 15-year-old tree, make the grafting that helpful to produce the plant. That plant produces the fruit within 2 or 3 years. That plant is produces within 2 or 3 years. As grafting makes that, if he get the fruits from that plant after planting after 15 years, he must wait for 15 years. But after grafting that plant with the young plant, the fruit bearing tree is grafting with young plant, then the tree produces that grafting that produces the fruits within 2 or 3 years, very in short time. Yes, the plant produces the fruits within short time. The producing of the fruits of the plant, the time is decreased. Even very less time, that is very helpful to the planting. Yes, this one is one of the invention from Luther Burbank. Now, Luther Burbank carried out more than 10,000 separate experiments. Like that, this is one of the experiments. Like that, he also conducted 10,000 separate experiments with 600 different kinds of plants. He used 600 different kinds of plants for his experiment. He conducted 10,000 separate experiments like this. To give a complete list of his achievements is impossible. Yes, we can't able to list out his achievements because he conducted many experiments and achieved many goals. So that's why his achievements is not, we can't list out that his achievements in impossible. But some of his world famous products, these are mentioned. But some more his world famous achievements are these are. Now we can mention those. Here, he developed an improved cherry. Yes, this Luther Burbank developed his achievements. This is one of his achievements, that is, he developed an improved cherry. He developed an improved cherry. Cherry fruits alli improvements alla tartane. A thornless blackberry. Yes, he also produces thornless blackberry. A cactus without thorns. Listen here. Whenever we listen that word cactus, then the picture comes the thorns. Yes. Then the picture comes the thorns which has conducted complete, the thorns covered complete the leaf. The cactus means we see that the thorn contained plant. But here he produces that without thorns. Without thorns, he produces a cactus. And that is largely used as food for livestock. Yes, that is also used for food for the animals, which has the animal farms, where he making that animal farms. He used that cactus without thorns, used for that food for livestock, means farm. And a peach tree that can withstand freezing weather. Yeah, also a peach tree. Conduct experiments on a peach tree that can withstand freezing weather. Yes, the peach tree also get the energy that is withstand, means tolerate that freezing weather. He conducts that type of experiment and produce that type of plant, peach plant. He delighted flowers with 73 new flowers, including the Shasta daisy and a rose that bears his name. Yes, here the work of Luther Burbank delighted the flower. Delight means happy. His experiment made happy that those who are loving flowers, those who are like the flowers, experiment make those people very happy because he produces 73 new flowers. 73 new flowers, new varieties of flowers. In that, one or two examples are here given. Shasta daisy and a rose. Yes, the rose plant is produced by this Luther Burbank. He has invented that rose plant and Shasta daisy. These are the very few names which are he produced number of new flowers. That bears his name. Naturally, many of his efforts ended in failure. Yes, naturally, all experiments not get good result, or all experiments not become success. Sometimes many more experiments are become fail. So like that here, many of his efforts ended in failure. At one time, he crossed a tomato with a potato. Yes, every experiments are not become successful, but many experiments are failed in his life, but that doesn't discourage him. That doesn't discourage him. He crossed a potato. He crossed a potato plant to a tomato plant to potato. He crossed the potato plant to tomato plant with a potato plant. Though a vegetable was produced, okay, that plant is produced new kind of vegetable, but it had no commercial value. But the people don't like that vegetable. So that's why there is no commercial values in the market. But his devotion was so deep. His dedication is so deep like that because and strong, deep and strong, that nothing could disappoint him. Yes, the failures doesn't disappoint him. Nothing could disappoint him. In the present times, miracles are happening in steel mills. Yes, nowadays we are seeing that miracles. Miracles means supernatural forces or supernatural actions or happens in the mills, steel mills, automobile factories, and markets of commerce and industry. But Burbank worked with the simple elements of nature. But yet, Luther Burbank worked in very simple elements of nature to produce efforts that were as remarkable. Means memorable. Is simple elements. Burbank worked with the simple elements. Yes, he used that he worked on very simple elements that are the nature. He is saying like that. Here, the author of that encyclopedia book those who are written this information is saying like that this is the simple element of nature. Yes, Luther Burbank chose the simple element that is nature to produce efforts. Yes, to produce these efforts that were as remarkable. The works are very remarkable, means memorable. Exchange cars, bridges, tunnels, and singing wives. Yes, here the writer is that the person who collecting information or written information in the encyclopedia is right that he is comparing that is remarkable works to shining cars, bridges, tunnels, and singing wives. More than that, our Luther Burbank conducted many experiments on these plants. Nowadays, we are getting hybrid plants, hybrid fruits, hybrid varieties of plants because of that of the grafting. That is from producing grafting. Grafting is one of the experiments. They are grafting the different varieties of plants and getting new varieties of vegetables. This is one of the activity given us that from the Luther Burbank. Yes, Luther Burbank grown varieties of apples in a single plant, single tree, and he also grown varieties of flowers in a single plant. Varieties of roses, varieties of flowers in a single plant with the help of this grafting. How that Luther Burbank conduct many more experiments throughout his life, and he become very successful in his experiment. But failures also comes in his life, in his experiments. But that didn't discourage him. So he conduct many more experiments. And he becomes successful in his experiments. And Luther Burbank become great, famous, well-known plant breeder. And he get many more works, and he also get many more plants, blackberry and cherry fruits, and many more new things, new varieties of fruits he produced. Its experimenting, his interest in plant breeding is one of the activities that is makes us very familiar with him. Yes, he done very good works, and he given us many more vegetables, many more plants, many more flowers. Okay, then how is the experiments made us getting the fruits very early, as far as the time which produce the ability to produce the plants. Yes, now we are getting in the olden days that the original plants are producing fruits in long time, means the coconut tree. In the past 10 days, the coconut trees produces the coconuts for 10 to 15 years, take 12 to 15 years. But nowadays, within 5 to 6 years, the coconut trees produces coconut. This is one of that gifted from this grafting. How Luther Burbank given a very good idea and good knowledge for us. From this lesson, we know about his achievements that Luther Burbank. Students, I think you are also conducting this experiment that grafting. Children, in your garden in front of your house, you can also conduct that. You can also do the activity that grafting the plants, flower plants. You can also grafting the plants, rose with the daisy. You get new another one plant. You can also conduct like that the grafting plants with you. This one is very interesting work, very interesting activity. You can also conduct or you can also grafting the plants in your garden. When you get new fruit, new flower, new plant, you become very happy. So you can also conduct or you can also grafting plants in your garden and share your joyful experience or success of that planting or grafting plant. Okay children, now I give you one of the homework, very interesting homework. Okay children, you write that and bring when you come to school. Hello friends, this is the homework for you given. I given you this was the homework for you. Given below are some names. Classify them into categories of flowers, fruits and vegetables. You may consult a dictionary or encyclopedia if you need. Here in the box, here number of words are given: orange, plum, neem, desert, cactus, mango, blackberry, banana, brinjal, potato, cherry, lemon, apple, grapes, jasmine, lotus, sasta daisy, marigold, rose, tomato, peach, watermelon, carrot. Okay, you must classify them into fruits, vegetables, flowers. Okay children, this is very simple.